Okay, so let's continue to answer our example number 2 in arithmetic series. Okay, so in example number 2, we have to find the sum of the first 18 term. Okay, so meaning from the first term, second, third, and up to 18 terms. No? So kailangan nating i-add yung mga terms doon. Okay, so using this formula. So 18 terms of an arithmetic sequence with the first term is 6. So our given in example number 2 is first term, which is 6. Okay, so our first term or a sub 1 is 6 and the common difference. So the common difference is 4. Okay. So what is our n? So ito yung number ng terms na i-add natin. So our n is equal to 18. Okay, so this is 18. So, kung titingnan natin yung given, so meron na naman tayong common difference, but we don't have a last term, which is hindi natin alam yung pang 18 term. Ang alam lang natin, i-add natin yung 18 na terms dun sa arithmetic sequence. Okay, so ang gagamitin nating formula is the same as example number 1. Yung pangalawang, yung merong common difference. So, meron tayong S sub n. In this case, we are looking for the sum of the 18 terms. So, S sub 18 is equal to, our n is 18 times the quantity of 2 multiplied by the first term. So, our first term is 6. Then we have to add the quantity of n minus 1. Our n again is 18 minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, which is, in our example, is 4. Okay? Divided by 2 or over 2. So, S sub 18 or yung sum ng 18 terms ay equal. So, pwede na natin tong i-divide kasi yung 18 is divisible sa 2. Okay? So, 18 divided 2 is 19. I mean 19. I mean 9 rather. Okay, so meron tayong, pwede na natin i-multiply yon. 2 times 6 is 12 plus, so perform natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So 18 minus 1 is 17. Multiplied by 4. Okay, so we have S sub 18 is equal to 9. So gamit yung PEMDAS rules, multiply muna natin yung nasa loob ng bracket. So we have 12 plus 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. So we have 40 plus 28 is 68. 68. Okay. So using the PEMDAS rules again, no, gagawin natin, we have to add the terms inside the parenthesis. So we have 9 multiplied by 12 plus 68 is 80. Okay. So S sub 18 or our sum is equal to 720. And that is correct. Okay. So let's try our example number 3, or you have to try example number 3, and we will calculate or solve it in the next video.